I was doing my usual Shopify research and I found a hair brand that's quietly doing $10 million per month. They sell one main hero product, it's $129, and the margins are great. They've achieved over 3 million monthly visitors, and this is in the US only. This is the main hero product right here. They named it Axia. It's a halo ring hair dryer. The positioning is very premium. They have this clean Apple style product image, but then also they have other product images with a ton of benefits on them so that people don't need to scroll down on the page to understand all the benefits that they're gonna get. They can just quickly add this to their cart. They have 7 different color variations, which is a good lesson on SKU expansion. If you have a hero product, you can just expand by adding more colors. They have a high AOV, so the product is $129, and they allow you to pay in installments with Klarna. They have a very clean product template, and this is exactly what a premium Shopify store looks like. But believe it or not, this is not that difficult to achieve in today's day and age. I know this because I own an agency where we've worked with some of the biggest e-commerce brands out there, but this year we've begun to build out a ton of lean Shopify stores. Here's one of them that we started a few months ago, and yesterday it did $1,500 in pure profit without having to order a ton of inventory. And with the system, we're launching new stores all the time and also helping other people do it at ShopiLab.ai. As you see here, we launched another store today and it's already starting to pick up. I'll tell you more about ShopiLab.ai briefly, but first let's dissect some of the other keys that make this store a massive success. First of all, the margins. They're probably sourcing this product for under $50, maybe even under $30, and selling it for $129. That is a beautiful margin that you can really scale Meta ads with, and they are doing exactly that. So the second key is the margin, but the third key is the infinite content wheel that they can get as a brand that deals with hair care, right? There's so many UGC creators that you can get. Pretty much every girl out there is a UGC creator that you can hire. And right now, there are more and more content creators popping up every single day. We can see these are some of their highest performing ads, and some of them are actually just static ads, which is pretty cool. This one right here is a simple static ad that anybody could replicate with AI. I've made several videos showing you how you can do that. I'll leave them in the description if you want to check them out, but for now, just know that this is super easy to replicate. This right here is their highest performing ad in terms of impressions.
Lately, I've been making my hair routine part of my self-care. Let me put you on to some of my staple products. So after washing, I go in with the Launch Posh Hair Polish. It's super lightweight, it makes my hair soft and shiny, but without that greasy feeling.
See,
and before styling, I use the Glass Hair Thermal Blowout Primer because let's be real, I'm not about to skip heat protection. And then my favorite part, the Live Volume tool makes everything so easy. It dries, smooths, and gives me volume all in one, which is perfect because I don't have the patience for a long routine. And as you can see, every new section I pull down, I am spraying the glass hair so that my hair can...
So this is another product that they're selling here. Their second hero product is the other tool. Let me just show you. This is a secondary product that they have. It's a lot cheaper. It's $49, but it blends extremely well into their catalog. So right here is their ad copy for this video. It says, for just $69, score our Le Volume plus 3 fan favorite products. This limited time bundle is your key to amazing hair at a fraction of the price. That's a really good headline right there that you could use for any kind of brand. Now, the reason I can estimate how much they're sourcing this product for is because I use a private sourcing agent where I'm constantly sourcing products like this. And you can find this agent by going to ShopiLab.ai and then going to the ShopiLab sourcing tab. It's called Team Drop. It's this one right here. And as you see, if we just look up hair dryer, we can see some products that are ready to ship and source like this. So we can get these shipped and sourced without having to order inventory. We can just start selling them right now, getting it shipped directly to our customer. But we can also browse factory products that no one else is selling even. So this one, for example, is super aesthetically pleasing. I really love these colors and they look really, really nice. So we can just source this to our store and start selling it ASAP. That's exactly what I'm doing with this demo store. And by the way, if you want to see how I built this store step by step, I filmed the entire process, even down to coming up with the name, which is pretty crazy. So I launched the entire thing inside ShopiLab.ai, and you can get access to this for $99. I'm trying to make our platform extremely affordable, and it doesn't just include all these courses. It also includes all these research tools that I'm using daily in order to find more ideas with high demand. That's one of the keys here, is high demand opportunities. That's how you're going to be able to find success in the quickest way possible. If you can just drop products and position them in these trends that are massively booming, it's going to make it a lot easier to find success and actually sell your product because people are already looking for these kinds of things. And that's exactly my process. When I find these brands, I reverse engineer them using ShopiLab tools. For example, this is one of the free tools that you can use inside ShopiLab. If we put our cost of goods, let's say for one of these products that we find, let's just do one of these ones. Let's say for this specific product, right? We can source it for $22. That's with shipping and everything included. We can put this in our cost of goods, and let's say we sell this product for $79. That gives us really good margins to actually scale on Meta. So with these numbers, let's say we're getting a 2.5 ROAS on Meta, that would give us a 28% profit margin. So this is how you can actually make money with e-commerce, is by actually looking at your numbers and starting there before you order inventory, before you launch anything. And of course, with the system, like I mentioned, you can launch and make cash flow so that you can actually take money out of the business, as opposed to most e-com brands out there that continuously have to reinvest all their money into inventory. This is a more balanced approach. And in my opinion, it's better for someone that actually wants to build an income online. I know that because we're literally doing it. So if you want to build lean e-com brands like this, instead of just watching them, we have the full breakdown, sourcing, ad research tools, store frameworks, high converting themes, literally everything you need. And you can get access for $99 a month, cancel anytime. It also gives you access to our Discord community, where we do a group call every single week. I'm always there, and they all get recorded inside our community as well, so you can just browse them and look at them later. I'm very proud of what we're building here, so I really wanted to take the time to show you and talk about it. But brands like this are not magic. They started back in 2017, so they've had nearly a decade to perfect their systems and continuously compound to the point where they're now doing 9 figures a year. But again, you don't need to make 9 figures a year in order to have a successful Shopify store. Even an extra $5,000 to $10,000 a month of profit can completely change someone's life. So if you want access to the systems, tools, and breakdowns that I use literally every day, then click the link below or go to shopilab.ai. It also comes with access to our traffic analytics Chrome extension, which uses similar web data to estimate traffic. This alone costs over $150 a month to use separately. So ShopiLab literally saves you hundreds of dollars a month by aggregating all these tools. And of course, you have the community component as well. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found it inspiring. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.